I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Stephanie, but you can go ahead and call me Steph because we're friends now. Guys, cheers to a new month. Honey, we are in February. We are in the love month, okay? We're in the love month, and I am coming to you guys with an Adoreme haul. You guys, currently I am wearing the Adoreme Prestige line lipstick, okay? I will have a link down below, and I'm also wearing an Adoreme robe, okay? We're giving you all of the Adoreme vibes because we're getting ready for Valentine's Day, guys. Okay, let's take a cheers on that. Let's sip on that, okay? 21 and up only, okay? 21 and up only. Okay. Yeah, I like sweet wines. I love sweet wines, so y'all let me know some good sweet wines that you would love to recommend. But before we even get into this video, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and share this video with a friend because you guys, we need to be getting ready for Valentine's Day, okay? This is not a game. It is not a game, all right? It is not a game. So we're just gonna go ahead and hop into the video so you guys can see the pieces that I got from Adoreme. Okay, you guys, so I just want you to preface this that this video is gonna be full of red and pink vibes for Valentine's Day. So do not think that it was not gonna be like that, all right? Look at how beautiful and gorgeous this piece is. And of course it comes with the thong. But look at the lace on it. Look at the lace details, okay? It has the adjustable straps in the back and the clips, okay? Honey, this is a looker. I got this in a size 1X, and I will have all the links and the sizes listed down below so for you guys. So, ooh, oh my gosh. But this is a banger, okay? And like, don't we love Adoreme for the fact that like they always come with the sets? Isn't this so sexy? Look guys, these looks are not just for your boo, for whoever. These are also for you. So give yourself a good vibe for Valentine's Day. Even if you're just doing some self-love or self-care, this is a part of it. Get dressed up and be sexy, okay, ladies? Get dressed up and be sexy. Okay, Adoreme got y'all, okay? This piece, this set right here is everything. I mean, and it has, although it's lacy, it has some stretch in there too. And of course, I just love the way that they stitch their bras together. So you definitely have the wiring there to still have some lift. Okay, ladies, you still have the lift there. Okay, this next piece is a bodysuit. And we're giving red and lacy again. We're giving red and lacy vibes. It's more of a halter top with the strap. It's the one adjustable strap across, so it's more of a halter top. It does come up in a thong, so it's that V-cut, high V-cut bodysuits. And you can style this outside of just being lingerie. You can actually style this as a clothing piece and just throw that on underneath some cute outfits, some leather, honey, especially during this winter time, maybe, and stand out. But I love that it has this floral design in the lace, so it's just giving very much I'm a rose, honey, okay? I'm unique, I'm special, and so I just love that. And again, it'll give you that support. Once you adjust, you can get that support that you need, and I just love the way that this looks, okay? So even for Galentine's Day, if you're having a lingerie party with your friends, if you didn't know what to do, baby, these are some ideas that you can do with the lingerie. If you're, you know, if you don't necessarily have a Valentine, you can do some self-care, take some sexy pictures in your lingerie if you feel comfortable doing so. If you want to just have some lingerie on, wear it around the house, book you a hotel room, things of that nature, get you some champagne, get you some wine, get you some feel good, okay? Get you some wine, honey, get you some feel good and feel good. had a sip on that, okay? So this is perfect, especially for my ladies that wanted a little bit more cover up in the lace. This doesn't show as much because the detailing design on this, you know, has a little bit more covering. So this is perfect. And this is also in a size 1X. Now your girl, outside of just some pink and red vibes, you know your girl has to get some black because baby black is where it's at, okay, also. So I got the same bodysuit, but in black, guys. And, isn't this sexy? Isn't this sexy? You can't tell me it's not. This is it, baby. This is it. I'm here for it so much. Adoreme never disappoints. I literally say this all the time. Adoreme never disappoints when it comes to quality, nice lingerie pieces. So if you want to really treat yourself, get you some nice lingerie pieces. I mean, look at it. Look at this. Look at how beautiful that lace is. And that's why I said it's not really see-through. You can't really see my face, okay? I am obsessed. I just love the detailing. I love it. I mean, I love it in either color. I love it in the black. Of course, the black is my favorite because that's it. And then my secondary favorite is red. So I'm wearing my colors, okay? This is a number. Baby, you pop out in this silk robe with this underneath with a high boot for your boo. Everything. This is awesome. Also, a very nice piece for a Galentine's Day lingerie party with your girlfriends, okay? Get you a charcuterie board. Can't even say that. Too fast. Say it too fast and you're tongue tied. Get you one of those and get you some wine, get you some snacks, everything, and put this number on with a silk robe, pop out with the fur heels. And who gonna check you, boo? Oh my gosh, this is it. So here is the bra piece. Okay, we're giving all the lacy, okay, vibes from Adoreme, and I just love the detailing of, I love the way that they stitch these things together. It's so cute. Just everything. I mean, like, it's a banger. It's a banger. It's a banger. It's a banger. I love it. Like, I got this in a 40 double D. And y'all, just the quality of this. Perfect. It's not really padded, so this is really good. And y'all, look at the bottoms. Okay, so I'm trying to hold it up so y'all can really see it, but I'm gonna have the pictures up so you can see what this is really giving on the body, because the reality of it is and what it's supposed to look like. But see, it's not giving what it's supposed to give on camera, just not being held up. You'll have to see it on the model. But oh my gosh, y'all, it's the detailing of the lace, kind of, because this is going to be wrapped around your waist and everything to match the top with a little circle. Who not gonna be fine? Who not gonna be fine? Who not gonna be fine? Who is not gonna be fine this Valentine's Day? Who is not gonna be fine? Baby girl, it's going to be you that's gonna be fine. You're gonna be snatching these men's heads back, okay? Like, I mean, you know, I was saying edges as a girl, but it's like, what does a man have? You know, their waves back? I don't know. What are they gonna have snatched back? Okay, I don't know. And I don't know if y'all want a man with a toupee, so. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the next item. So I did get some nice lacy panties from Adoreme at the end, where you could just have some add-ons. Cause I just wanted some extra underwear that is really cute. So these are kind of like the boy shorts with the lace. So if you just wanted to have something comfortable, they have options for everyone. So I did get this in a 1X. So this is really cute to just wear and still kind of give yourself that sexy feel, but you know, be in comfort. So I got that in black, and then I got another pair in red, as I told y'all, we're giving y'all all of those vibes this video. So yes, so here is it in red. Lots of stretch, ladies, and I love, love, love the detailing of the lace. It's so cute. Yep, so in a regular panty style. Here with some of the lace trim around. It's really nice. So we're gonna kind of go into some of the comfy options that you can wear for Valentine's Day. Like I said, if you're doing something in the house, you're by yourself, you've got your own hotel or something like that, and yes, you're gonna have a day where you're gonna be wearing something sexy, all of that stuff, but then you also wanted to wear something chill, a good vibe, and you know, still feel cute and festive. So we're gonna go into some of those pieces now. This pajama set is so cute, you guys. I'm obsessed. I'm really obsessed because even as a kid, I love. Like I love Valentine's Day, all of that. So this is super nice to have such a nice little thermal knit, to have this nice thermal knit pajama set. I mean, look at it with the hearts and pink and the red hearts. This is awesome. So this is what I'm saying, that you know, once you get done wearing that lingerie, if you're like, okay honey, it is time to go ahead and put on your favorite rom-com, because I'm a rom-com girl. Put on your favorite rom-com, get some chocolate, get your wine or your popcorn, whichever you prefer. And if you're trying to be healthier, get some fruit. And throw on these cute PJs. Throw on these cute PJs. Here's the bottom. Throw on these cute pajamas and just get comfortable and enjoy your Valentine's Day. I mean, and then even if after Valentine's Day, like these pajamas of course work, because I mean, again, I'm all about self-love and taking the time out to love on yourself. And so the moments where you just feel like you need that extra boost of love and things like that, you can throw on these pieces. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the next piece that I'm excited for, because I love this for my pajamas. And I just love to have a good pajama set and a good nightgown, okay? Because they're comfortable. The thing is, this is not your granny-esque nightgown, okay? It's still giving you sexy with the lace in the back, okay? And you're able to adjust this, okay? So it can still give you a little razzle dazzle. And you're just gonna be pretty in pink for the night. And it's so soft to touch. This material is so soft to touch. You'll be so comfortable and feel like a dream. Feel like a dream, literally. And I love that, because you deserve comfort when you sleep, but also feeling like I don't look like a grandma, I look good. Okay? Cheers to that. Cheers to that. All right, so the last item is this cute Sherpa two-piece set, and it's a hoodie and some jogger pants, and it has the drawstrings on the pants and drawstrings on the top. And so this is really cute and comfy. Again, this is something that you can wear literally when you're hanging out with your girls for Valentine's Day, or if you just want to be comfy and have a spa time to just self-care and self-love on yourself, this is perfect to just get cozy and feel good during this time. Because honey, there's nothing wrong with being your own Valentine, or you know, having a family member, somebody that you care about, your friends or anybody being your Valentine. That's what's important. So you got to take care of yourself the best way you know how to. So I am obsessed with these items. Again, you're definitely going to probably see me in that black lacy number with an outfit. Just know it, okay? And with this same red lip, period. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love Adoreme and the pieces that they have. Just perfectly awesome for Valentine's Day, for Galentine's Day, for just overall your needs. These are the items that I chose that I felt like were really good to go ahead and showcase for yourself, and for you to show up and be the best version of yourself. Depending on whatever you're doing for Valentine's Day, you can just see a different selection, whether you're trying to be comfy and cool, wear some nice comfy pajamas or loungewear, or if you want it to be nice and sexy and wearing on some cute pieces that make you feel confident in the best version of yourself. And that's what matters. So thank you again to Adoreme for gifting me these items. Please comment down below what your favorite pieces are. And of course, all of this will be linked down below in the description. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And I love you guys. And without further ado, mwah! Bye.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there.